Hi, and welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author, and welcome to my quilting room. So you might notice that I still have my same shirt on because I decided to make this recording on the same day that I'm working on the quilt. There are a lot of big changes happening here at the Crafty Author that I haven't shared with you guys. So I really feel like I need to tell you what's going on here. So we are going to be getting a new quilting space. I am going to be moving out of this current space that I have because we are getting our basement finished. And so I am actually going to have a finished space now for my quilting room. And so we will be moving that way. So I'm going to turn the camera and just kind of explain some things and how this works so that you can get kind of an idea of where things are going to go. Okay, my craft room is kind of a mess right now, so I do apologize. I've got stuff everywhere. So this part of the room is actually going to become my husband's new office. And this part will probably be my grandkids' play area right in through here. And oh my gosh, I am so ashamed to show you this, but everything is kind of in disarray because we're moving things back into the other portion of our basement so that we can clear everything out of here. I'm trying to finish up this blanket so that I can start packing up my craft room and moving all the stuff out from here too. Because they're gonna start on Monday and I'm nowhere near ready. So anyway, this is going to be my new office area right here. So I'm going to have my computer here, and I'm going to have my Scentsy stuff there, and I'm just going to have like all of my things that I need right here for doing my work for Crafty Author. Now I'm going to turn here, and this area is going to become my new crafting area. And then there will be a wall. Don't mind the mattress and stuff everywhere here. And then there will be a wall there because there will be a bathroom over there with a door. And then the rest of this, back in this area, is going to be all storage. So that's that part. So I will be moving upstairs to my dining room for about 3 months. And we will be doing tutorials upstairs for about 3 months. I am not looking forward to going back to my dining room table, you guys, because you know it gets real messy and real crazy. But I have to tell you, I am super excited to get this new space. And yeah, so I just know the wait will be worth it. It's gonna be hard, but you know, it is what it is. So we've already started getting rid of some things, donating things, and we have a long ways to go, to be honest. We were working on this morning, and you know, it's just tough to move all your stuff, and then you find out that you have too much junk, right? So then there's another announcement that I need to make as well. So I'm going to flip the camera and show you something else. Okay, so in addition to finishing off my space over here, there's Jax. I'm also opening up a boutique store. So come here, Jax. I had to do a mock-up store for it. And so I had to go and get all of these new shelving units and do a mock store for my boutique. So here in Colorado, we have a new store that moved into town, and it is called The Painted Tree. And I know some of you have those in the states where you live. And so I had a bunch of family members urging me to put this together and, you know, apply and see if I could get in there and whatnot. So I did. I did the mock-up store. I worked on a ton of inventory. I'm still working on lots and lots of inventory for the space. I applied and they accepted me. So I got accepted to it, but there is a but. I had to be on the wait list. So I am waiting for a space for my shop to open up there. It will be Crafty Author Boutique, like I said, and I'm super excited about it. There's like so many different things happening all at once, and everything is going really, really fast. And I'm really excited, but I'm also feeling very, very overwhelmed. And you know, I just have to take it as it is. So also, Dime has sent me a lot of thread and things like that. So we are going to be doing a 4th of July project. I'm going to be doing a 4th of July gnome on a garden flag, so I can put it outside in my front yard. It's going to be super cute. You're not going to want to miss that. But I just wanted to go ahead and give you that update. I know the lighting in here is absolutely horrible because we're not in my crafting space. So anyway, that is the update. I hope that you guys are doing well. I'm super excited to share all of this with you and to bring you on this journey with me. And I will be sharing updates with the basement remodel as well. So I'm super excited, you guys. So excited. So if you'd like to follow me on social media, the links down below in the description box, you know. And don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Keep on crafting. Bye-bye.